As part of Thailand 4.0, the government of Thailand is initiating a whole host of advancements in manufacturing, clean water, clean air, clean energy across multiple industries of palm, textiles, food and beverage, cement, that Thermax can partner and is partnering with customers all around us. A very warm welcome from Boiler World SEA in Bangkok. Thermax has been a BOI registered company in Thailand since 2019, and with every passing year and passing day, we are increasing our presence in the country, offering local capabilities, local services, civil and construction capability, project management, and becoming a more local company with every passing time. So again, it's our pleasure and our honor to be here to share some of our most latest capabilities, including the Ultramind, which is a brand new introduction that we are doing. It's a global launch of Ultramind as part of our Edge Live digital offering that we are doing in Bangkok today and launching it for our customers globally as part of Boiler World SEA.